Everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason your magic mouse is not scrolling. So maybe you're trying to go through and scroll up and down on your magic mouse, but for some reason the scrolling gestures just aren't working at all. Now, number one, the main way to kind of fix this is to go through and kind of just see if you can kind of clean out or adjust your glass trackpad that's at the top. Remember that with these, magic mouses, you have to kind of, be gentle and kind of, scroll up and down on particular areas. That can be kind of one of the main things that kind of ends up happening here. So go through, kind of adjust that, see if that ends up working. And that's kind of one of those other things to kind of, work on. Now, another thing, if that's not working, you can try going through and try restarting your magic mouse. So if you have the older one, you can just take out the battery, just slide this thing up or whatever, and then just take out the battery and then, rechange these. Or you can, if you have the other one, you can just turn it on or off that way too. Those are kind of just some easy ways to kind of adjust it because sometimes that could be the problem. And that is something else I'd probably recommend. I would probably also recommend going through and kind of seeing if you can kind of adjust the, kind of repairing these particular magic mouses. So in this case, I would recommend just going through, seeing if you can repair it. So unpair it from your device and then go through and repair it. And sometimes that can be another issue you might want to fix. If the mouse is working, but that top portion isn't, you might just have to go through and repair it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.